Hello, Doug Payne with Extreme Colors Auto Spa of Greenville. I appreciate you for watching. I want to give you some updates on some exciting things that are happening here at Extreme Colors Auto Spa. One thing is I'm standing in our new customer lounge. We went through great lengths to make sure that this lounge exemplified the attention to detail and quality that we put in all our work. My wife actually did the decorating and she did a fabulous job. I'm so happy about this room. We have the cable TV, we have Netflix, we also have a coffee bar with fresh snacks, we have Wi-Fi, so a lot of our customers are business people who need to do work on their laptops while they're here. So our goal for this room was that it was such a comfortable and inviting room that our customers would want to hang out here even if they weren't having work performed by us. The other neat thing that we've added a third space here at our 700 Woodruff Road location. This new space has an office and a work area. So the office we have converted into our employee center. So they have their own space with the break room, conference room. They have storage there and they have refrigerator. They have everything they need in their area there. And then we also have the shop space, which they're starting to remodel on Monday, and we're going to outfit it like our other two shops. So we're going to add a ridiculous amount of LED lights. It's got temperature control, it'll have dust control and humidity control. You know, as a business owner, and some of our customers are business owners, so you can relate to this, but it's tempting when business starts going really good to take some of the revenues that you generate and spend on yourself and you know, to buy things personally. But I've been dogmatic about making sure that we reinvest our surpluses back into the company to grow the business, to get better at what we're doing. You know, like for example, our shops, you know, you can have the most experienced paint protection film installer or ceramic pro installer. You can have the best products available, but if your conditions are not right, you're going to have a subpar job. So it is crucial when you're doing this type of work that the condition that the work's being done in is perfect for that work. So like, for example, paint protection film has there's a 5-degree temperature variance that you need to stay within to have optimal results. Now, yeah, you can install paint protection film in really, really hot conditions. You can do it in cold, to some degrees, cold conditions, but the quality of the job is going to be subpar because, like I say, there's optimization in what we do here. I mean, that has been my goal, is that my guys have a comfortable place to work in that gives them the ability to do the best work possible. So like I say, we have, you know, the lighting is intense so my guys can see everything that they're doing the way they need to see it. We have temperature control because that's so important to what we're doing. We have humidity control. Humidity is a big factor with ceramic coatings and clear bra. And we have dust control because we want clean work. So, you know, we've really went out of our way to just make sure that the jobs that we do, that we have the right environment to do them in. And we, you know, when my guys, if they ever need anything equipment-wise, I get it for them. And when I know there's something new out there that can be purchased that's going to help us to do a job better, then I'll invest in it. And we're continually improving. We continually try to get better at what we're doing, just so we can stay at that leading edge of quality. So I do appreciate you. One other thing, we do have our collision center. You know, we've had a collision shop for years. We've been performing work for wholesale accounts like dealers and even manufacturers. So we're actually going to be opening that up to our customers. We're about 2 weeks out from that. What used to be our customer waiting lounge, we've converted into an office for our collision estimator. And we're working on software for that right now. So in about 2 weeks, we'll be able to offer that service. And so stay tuned for that. But anyway, I do thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for allowing us to do what we do every day. We couldn't do it without you. Take care.